What's up guys, Major here from the channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how to fix the glitchy how to fix the glitching in Assassin's Creed Bloodlines in your PSP emulator. So with that being said, let's get straight to the video tutorial. So if you can see now, if you look through the map, you can see that I am moving around but nothing is showing on the screen. So this is a glitchy effect, this is a glitch. So I'm going to show you guys how to fix that. So what you have to do, you have to click game settings, go to more settings, you're in graphics, and then you have to go to graphics. Then you have to click here and make sure you select buffer rendering. Click on it, then click back, and you can see it works perfectly. You see it works and goes around. You see this works. Yeah. So that's how you fix the glitch. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Major out. Peace.